Hello everyone. In this video, we will do three things. 1. We are going to learn a short history of Korean alphabet. 2. We will learn 4 basic Korean vowels focusing on their pronunciations and 2 consonants. 3. We will learn a syllable structure of Korean letters. Korean alphabet is called Hangul. It means great script. It can also mean Korean script. Korean alphabet is created by King Sejong the Great, the fourth king of Joseon dynasty. He created Hangul, Korean alphabet, so even uneducated commoners can learn how to read and write. It was also his way of empowering commoners to protect their rights from abusive noble classes. Now let's learn 4 basic vowels. This is A. The stroke order is like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Next vowel is O. The romanization is O with a diacritic mark on the top. This diacritic mark means that this is a short or unstressed vowel. This vowel has a similar sound value as A sound in awesome. The stroke order is like this. 1, 2. A, 1, 2. O, 1, 2. The next vowel is O. This is how you write O. 1, 2. As you can see, when you write Korean, the stroke order goes from left to right or top to bottom. A, O, O. The next vowel is U. This vowel has a similar sound value as 2 O's in boo in English. This is how you write U. 1, 2. So how should we pronounce each vowel? Let's find out. Let's use this chart. For A, the tongue needs to stay in the low back area of the mouth. Please do not force it. Just gently place your tongue in the low back area. On the chart, it shows that the lips needs to be unrounded. This means that you just need to open your mouth and say A. This sound is very similar to A in English, but don't drag the sound. Just say A. The same sound from the beginning to the end. For O, it's just like A, but the tongue needs to be placed on the mid-back area. Again, do not force your tongue. You will open your mouth just like A, but little smaller. For O, you need to round your lips. This means you need to pucker up your lips, so lips should be protrude. At this moment, you might feel like O and O sounds the same. If you feel this way, click I on the top right to watch the video that explains the difference between these 2 vowels in details. For U, it's just like O, but lips are more closed and more protruded. A, O, U. A, O, U. There are 3 rules to remember. 1. It always starts with a consonant. 2. A vertical vowel is placed next to a consonant. 3. A horizontal vowel is placed below a consonant. For example, If you want to write a vowel ah, you can just write like this. However, if you want to write a letter ah, you need to put a consonant iung, which is like a placeholder since it becomes silent position in the initial position. So it does not violate rule number 1. So this is letter ah. Now you fulfill the rule number 1 because the letter ah starts with a consonant. If you want to write a letter o, it's like this. Consonant and vowel. O. Since o is a vertical vowel, you write the vowel o next to a consonant. What if you want to write no sound in Korean? How would you write no in Korean? The consonant ni은 has a sound value of n, so you will write like this. No. As you can see, the consonant ni은 is on the top of the horizontal vowel o. Let's review. Write the letter you hear in Korean. The first letter is a. This is how you write a. How about o, the second letter? O. What about o? O. 우. 우. Let's write 나. 너. 노. 누. How was the lesson? I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.